acceleration
all right, bro.
was insane.
Thank you.
0 to 60 in the mid 4s and all that.
What up, y'all? Leaving the barber bus. About to go drift some shit. I'll catch y'all later. That was my boy's barber bus. I'm about to head over to Sean's crib, and we about to get the drift car popping. We got a couple new. It's stock, bro. Yeah. It's stock. It's just lowering springs and spacers.
You got a cage or no?
A what?
Cage?
Cage?
Yeah, in the back, like the.
Nah, what you mean?
What's the name of it? Like the
A roll cage?
Yeah, roll cage.
Nah. I got a YouTube channel though. Check it out. We do drifting. We do like a bunch of stuff.
What's your YouTube?
It's called Moon Rocks Chop Shop.
Moon Rocks Chop Shop.
Yeah.
Check you out.
Alright, bro. Alright, y'all. So like I was saying, I'm about to head to my boy Sean's crib where the drift car is parked up. We got some new goodies that we're gonna try to install, and hopefully, you know what I'm saying, come out the other side. Pretty excited today because me and my friends have been trying to get together and install some new parts on Project Slide. That's our drift car, and it just hasn't happened. I've been out of town sometimes my friends are out of town, sometimes you know, just something always going on, so we haven't really got the best opportunity to do that. But today is that opportunity. So I'm gonna get to my boy's crib. First thing I gotta do is get some gas, and then I'll get to Sean's house. I'll show you all the goodies that we got. Hopefully you guys like them, and I actually want some opinions on it because we had a whole hullabaloo about what to get, which I'm not gonna spoil the surprise just yet. But anyways, I want y'all's opinions on if we did good or if we did bad, and then I may upgrade depending on y'all's opinions. So anyways, I'm gonna get some gas. Stay tuned. We're gonna get this popping. We're gonna install some parts, then we're gonna go sideways. Let's go. Yo, so we had a change of plans, you know. Pulled up at my boy Varun's crib, and it's looking like they already got to work. Look at that. Turn this bit around. So y'all, oh, you guys got the seats out. Cool, man.
Was already loose. No bolts.
Oh, that's right. Alright, y'all, I'll give y'all a good look, but they already got the seats out. Sean just pulled up. He looks high as hell. He was smoking. Sean pulled up with the seats. We're about to install them, but let me give you guys a look. Seats out, you feel me? It's probably a good angle for you guys. But yeah, this thing is still dirty as heck, man. We should clean this thing. Yo, so check out our new goodies. Seats. Now, I'm not gonna lie. These things, I seen them in the pictures. I was like, 6-speed? What the heck is 6-speed? But then now that I'm seeing them in person, they're actually pretty clean, man. They're actually really nice. Can I sit in it? Would it mess up the rails? Oh, it's not bad. Oh yeah, I like these. Hell yeah. Boom. So let me know what y'all think. Drop it in the comments. Did we get some bootleg ass bullshit? Should we got some sparkles? You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to donate some sparkles, link in the description. But
there we go. Perfect. So let's where's the bolts? The bolts should be, because the OEM bolts are going here. Yeah. The bolts for this. So then that's what I brought that bolt box for. Oh. Because we gotta like just make our shit.
Oh, they didn't send you nothing?
Nothing, bro.
No?
It should have came with these, but
this all good. Do you know what size it is?
So we're gonna have to bolt up the front first and then slide it back to expose the back and then put it in.
Yeah.
That I did years ago.
Nuts and bolts.
Internal.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Out. So if this goes in there, you only got this much space to slide back. So see my finger is, my tip is right here. It's hitting the internal metal bracket. Do you want to hard mount the seats? No adjustment?
Hard? Is that a 10?
And guess what? Try some nuts out. Now you can slide.
Try some nuts out? You better watch your mouth when you talk to me, man. This is the bracket for the sliders. This is the seat. right now we're having problems right here where we need to find some bolts and nuts to fit right here and right here, so then we can put the brackets, or this is the bracket, but we can put the sliders on so we can have adjustable seat, because you need that. But yeah, that's kind of where we're stuck at. As you can see, we're looking for some nuts and bolts, but it's hard, and especially such an awkward type of place we have to put it in. So a lot of times when this happens, I usually just take a Lowe's or Home Depot run, but that also wastes a lot of time as well. So you kind of got to pick your poison here. Get on. Now all that's left to do is bolt this driver sucker bad boy in. Feel me? And that's what Verone's doing right now. Feel me? Alright, y'all, so Varun and Sean are putting in the driver's seat. I'm gonna start messing around with this passenger seat because it's about to start pouring and I don't think we have too much time, so gotta get to it. It's gonna test fit the passenger bracket because we found something funky looking, but I gotta hop in and open the passenger door for him. And let's see him test fit this bad boy.
It's good.
All right. What you think?
It'll work.
All right, so Sean just came up with a brilliant idea of foregoing the brackets for the passenger seat because it was at a weird angle, and rather than wasting time, we're just gonna stick it in there. Pause. But yeah, so we're gonna just put the passenger seat all the way back for maximum comfort, luxury, you feel me, while you're drifting. And we're gonna go from there. Decision was made, you feel me? Now come back. In the words of Orange Man, drill baby drill. If it don't go in, bang it, drill it, break it.
Whatever works.
Whatever works. After hours of deliberation, we have got the passenger side bracket on. Yo, open the door. Had to open the door. All right. Okay. Going. We got the seats in. Check them out. Feel me? Rishi's pulling out the car. You know.
The dude with the M light is related to the HOA and he's outside.
Oh. I'm about to drift this thing and test out the seats, but my boy is telling me that the HOA snitch is out here. So now we're in a little bit of, should we do it, should we not? You know, here's the seats though. The whole problem is the car's not registered, so we don't want to take that chance. I mean, it has a tag, but it's expired. It expired just a few days ago. So everybody's kind of worried about, you know, doing something and getting caught up, which it's all good. Huh?
Ask him he's gone.
Nah, he's still. Yo, is he gone? All right, the seats work. All right, y'all, so we got the seats in. We had a few more things to do, but it's raining still. We had to put on the headlights, but we're not gonna get to that today. Rishi took a little donut. It seems like the seats work, so it's all good. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for watching if you stayed this long. Check out the links in the description below for anything that you may need, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.